Hey guys, Benji D here from 𝐤𝐬𝐞𝐧𝐭. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about drivetrain malfunction. What is it? How does it affect your vehicle? And how to fix it? All that coming up in today's video.
Get fixed. Let's get it.
The BMW drivetrain malfunction is an error caused by a potential malfunction of the engine or transmission. To protect the engine, transmission, and driver, the car switches into safety mode, also known as limp mode. When the car goes into limp mode, you're going to notice that it no longer allows you to accelerate. Now, this is to prevent you from further damage in the engine or transmission. Drivetrain malfunction could literally be anything. Your fuel injector is going bad, your spark plug is going bad, your spark plug coil is going bad. But in order to narrow it down to the specific issue, you are going to have to scan your vehicle. The scanning tool I use in order to figure out what the issue is with my vehicle is made by a company Repair2 Solutions. I am going to have it linked down in the video description below. But anyways, if you don't own a scanning tool, I recommend that you go to AutoZone and scan your vehicle, and they'll be able to give you the exact error codes that mine could give you. When I went to go search those codes up, it was telling me that cylinder 1, 2, 3, and 4 were misfiring. P0300 is cylinder 1, P0301 is cylinder 2, and so on, right? It was basically indicating to me that the spark plugs weren't igniting or weren't firing at the time that they were supposed to. And that to me could possibly mean three things. 1, you need to replace your spark plugs. 2, you need to replace the spark plug coils. Or 3, you need to replace the fuel injectors. I knew it wasn't number 3 because I already replaced my fuel injector, so that wasn't the issue. Yesterday I went over to AutoZone, I bought one of the spark plug coils, swapped out the one in the first cylinder, and the car just started running perfectly normal again. I went on the app and erased the codes, and the check engine light did not come back on, it stayed off. The error codes I received indicates that it's multiple cylinders misfiring. Cylinder 1, 2, 3, and 4. Even though it's showing all 4, 1 fixed the issue. I may swap out the rest of them only because I do have warranty on those coils. I believe it's like 1 to 5 years warranty, something like that. But anyways, guys, if you have any questions, let me know what it is down below. Benji D here from 𝐤𝐬𝐴𝐻, and I'm out. Peace.
Let's get it.